Introducing SkillPlay, the simulation-based mobile skilling solution for service technicians and engineers.
You will learn how to clean the air filter of a loader.
What you are seeing are snippets of air filter cleaning process.
This is the air filter housing. Now, you have to open the clips first to open the cover. Open the second clip.
SkillPlay is ideal for learning maintenance, repair and commissioning processes for any equipment, right from SOPs, PPEs to tools and consumables.
Housing completely with the help of the air compressor.
The training mode explains SOP and tool choices through voice and text guidance.
After cleaning
The assessment mode is built to enable decision-making and test understanding of the process. Integrated with our AI-enabled performance analytics, which provides immediate feedback to learners, recommends training levels to improve on errors made during assessment. From SOP to fully configured gamified modules plus analytics in as low as 7 days. Deploy seamlessly with cross-platform compatibilities, be it mobile or web.